Hello guys, today I am going to explain you how to install JDK in Windows 10. Okay, so we'll install the latest version of JDK like 17 in Windows 10. So before installing JDK 17 in Windows, so let's check whether the JDK has been installed earlierly in the system or not. Okay, so that we'll check in the command prompt. So let's open the command prompt. Let's type cmd and it will, so the command prompt has been opened. Let's type java, okay, space minus version. So it is displaying that java is not recognized as an internal and external command. So we confirm that java is not installed yet. Okay, so let's close it. Let's open your favorite browser. I am opening Chrome browser. Okay, so now type java download. Okay, so we'll go to the Oracle site. Okay, this is the oracle.com. Okay, let's click on this. So this is the java downloads page. Okay, so this is java 17 available now, and it is the LTS, long term support, latest long term support. Okay, so java AC development kit 17 downloads. Okay, so these are three links. You can check that this is for Linux, and these are the binary file for the Linux, and this is for Mac OS. And if you click on the Windows, so these are the binary file for this Windows. Okay, so there are three options here for the Windows. We'll check the x64 installer because my system is x60 64-bit machine. Okay, so I'll click on this and it will go to download in my system. So let's click on this. So it is going to download. I'll cancel it because I have already downloaded in my system. So let's go to my downloaded file. I'm opening my D. Let's go to the downloaded software. Okay, and Java, and this is JDK 17 Windows 64. Okay, this is the bin exe file. Okay, let's double click this. It's going to install in my system, so it will take few minutes to install in my system. So it is preparing to install. Let's wait for few minutes. So this is the screen, fast screen. Welcome to the installation wizard for software Java SE Development Kit 17. Okay, so click the next button, and this is by default it is providing the location where our Java will be installed. C program files Java JDK 17. So if you want to change this directory, then you can click on the change, and it will and give the specific path that you want to install the Java in that path. Okay, neither it will go as default. Okay, so click on the next. So I think we need to wait for few minutes because it will take some to install. I saw that Windows screen. Yeah, so now the software like Java SC Development Kit 17 successfully installed in my system. Okay, so click on the close button. Okay, so now we'll the step is the step is now to edit the environment variable. To set the environment variable, we will set the path there. Okay, so type on the environment variable, environment. Okay, so you can see this is icon called edit the system environment variables from the control panel. Okay, so click the open. Okay, so this is the system properties window, and this is advanced window. Okay, so click on the environment variables. Okay, button, click here. So now we need to configure this path. Okay, in the system variables. Okay, configure this path. So what path we will give? Let's go to the drive where Java has been installed. C, I have clicked the C, then we will go to the program files, then we will go to Java, then this is the JDK 17. Okay, we will go to JDK 17 and we will go to the bin folder, up to bin folder. Okay, so inside the bin there are a lot of DLLs are there. Okay, the installable file are there, so we need this path up to bin folder. Okay, so control A, control C, copy this path. Okay, now go to the path, go to the environment variable, and in the system variables go to path, and now edit it, click on the edit. Okay, so now click the new. Okay, now control V, paste the path. Okay, so now click on, so my path has been given to C program files Java JDK 17 slash bin. Okay, so click on the OK button. Okay, now we'll create a new system variable as Java underscore home. Okay, click on the new. Okay, so all caps. So system variable is Java underscore home, and the path should be, we'll check what is the path. So we'll go to the JDK 17, only go to JDK up to JDK 17. So control C. Okay, so paste the variable value as C program files Java JDK 17. Okay, so click on the OK button. Now click on the OK button. Now click on the OK button. So now our system has been configured with the Java JDK path. Okay, so now we'll check I will check with the command prompt. Okay, let's open the command prompt whether our Java has been installed properly or not. Open it. Okay, so type Java space minus version. Okay, yeah, you can see that Java version 17 has been installed. Okay, it is displaying all the Java version and software acid runtime environment. Okay, now we'll see Java C version, Java C space minus version. Okay, yeah, you can see that Java C 17 has been displayed. So now we found that Java has been installed now properly in our system. So let's create one file, Java file, and run it. Okay, so I'll go to my folder. Okay, the local disk, I will create a new folder here. Okay, okay, so I'll create a new file here. So create a new class. So I have created one class hello world, okay, and created the public static void main, okay, main function, okay, string args, okay, and okay, here I will write system dot out dot println. I'm creating inside the notepad, so the intelligence is not working here for Java, so I'm typing all my command code here, okay, right, hello world, okay. So let's save it here as a hello world.java. Okay, choose as the Java file, okay, let's choose a Java file. Okay, yeah, this is the Java source file, okay, save it, okay. Let's go to command prompt and compile it. Let's change the directory. Java C to compile the program, Java C space hello world, the file name, okay. Let's compile it. Yeah, it's compiled. Now run that file with Java command, okay, Java space hello world.java. Sure, you can see that hello world has been displayed here. So now our system has been properly installed the Java 17, and we ran on one Java file, so it is working well. So I think it is properly understood, and if you like it, then please click like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.